So hey people, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please go and subscribe my channel. And welcome to the second part of Unsolved Mystery of Indian History. So let's go into this video without wasting time. If you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe and watch the first part if you haven't. So let's go. So the first in my second part is the 500-year-old mummy of Lama Tenzin. A trek in the Himalayas to the small village of Guven in Spiti reveals the eerie and ancient tradition of self-mummification. Here, in a tiny single room, a concrete structure rests a 500-year-old mummy protected by only a thin sheet of glass. The remains of the 15th century Buddhist monk named Sangha Tenzin. The mummy is remarkably well preserved with unbroken skin and hair on the head. Sangha Tenzin's body apparently went through a mysterious natural mummification. So this is my first in the part 2, but sixth in as a whole if you consider. So let's go to this next one. The next one is the royal treasure of Jaigarh. Home to the largest cannon on wheels, the Jaigarh fort's history is filled with tales of intrigue and treasure. It is believed that while returning from a successful campaign in Afghanistan, Man Singh, Akbar's defense minister, hid the spoils of the war in Jaigarh fort. In 1977, at the height of the emergency in India, Jaigarh fort found itself in the spotlight again when the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi launched a thorough search of the fort. On the tip of the water tanks hidden the Mughal treasure, nothing was found, but the incident received immense publicity. Also, finding mention in the Maharani Gayatri Devi's book, A Princess Remembers. So, this is my second. So, let's go to the third. So the third fact is the disappearance of Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib, regarded as one of the important leaders of the 1857 revolt, disappeared soon after his defeat at the hands of British. The history is still unclear about his fate, with questions also remaining about what happened to his fabled treasure that today would be worth of billions. Most historians believe that he was never captured and escaped to Nepal with significant part of his treasure, although no concrete historical evidence of that exists. Even after 150 years, Nana Sahib's fate and the whereabouts of his treasure remains among the most enduring mysteries from the British era. So let's go to the next. And guys, as I mentioned in this list, there are many mysteries and many treasures yet to be found. Suppose if you guys found it, what will you do? And will you share it with me? So comment me down below. Thanks for watching. So the next fact is ghost village of Kuldara. Lying 20 km to the west of Jaisalmer, the ghost town of Kuldara was prosperous town of Paliwal a few hundred years ago, until one fatal night when all its 1,500 residents left the village without a trace. No one knows exactly why, but according to legend, they left the village to escape from the evil ruler Salim Singh and his unjust taxes. And while leaving a curse on this area, it is also said that anyone who tries to stay in this village dies a brutal death. Until date, Kuldara remains uninhabited. I don't know how much it's true, but it's really dangerous too. So let's go to the next fact. So let's go to the last in my list, the chapati movement. The bizarre and enigmatic distribution of chapatis throughout the country during the revolt of 1857 remains inexplicable mystery till today. Though the recent studies have theorized that circulation of chapatis may have been an attempt to deliver food to people affected with cholera, The evidence is inconclusive about the actual purpose of chapati movement. Only one thing is accepted unanimously by historians, that mystery chapati delivers definitely created an atmosphere restlessness that was particularly disconcerting to the British in 1857. So these are the facts and these are the unsolved mysteries of India. So still there are some mysteries which I'll be releasing as a third part. So if you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching.